उद्देश्यों की घोषणा किए बिना भूमि अधिग्रहण कैसे हो सकता है? बिना किसी परियोजना के कोई भी सरकार में इस मुद्दे पर इस सरकार का समर्थन कर रहा हूँ। परियोजना की घोषणा के बाद ही भूमि अधिग्रहण किया जा सकता है।
Without declaring the uh, aims, how can the land can be acquired? Without a project, anybody, any government can. I'm supporting this government for this issue because without acquire the property, after declaring the project, the government can acquire the property. And the Rajiv Chandrasekhar declared that developed Kerala. That was their slogan. If when they are in the central government, they are not helping Kerala. They have to answer. They have to answer for the lack of projects for Kerala. They have to answer. All the central ministers from Kerala and the BJP leadership in the state have to answer for that this ignoring Kerala.